Congratulations, my friend. For many of you, this is a major milestone. Don't worry if you can't do all the movements correctly just yet. The goal of the practice is to let your pose fit your body, not to force your body into your idea of the pose. So take your time before moving on to the next lesson. Reread the descriptions, rewatch the videos at least once, or at least this video at least once, and make sure you can, 1, hold the postures without holding your breath. Make sure you can, 2, continue a steady pace of smooth breathing when transitioning between postures. And generally, this should take you about 2 to 7 days at 20 minutes a day to really tune into the nature of your injury while you're in these poses. So if you take a week or 2, hey, that's before the next video, perfect. Just watch this one once more, just allow it to drop in a bit more. And when I say tune in to the nature of your injury, I literally mean just that. Close your eyes, do the postures, continue doing your daily body scans, allow your awareness to rest for a moment or 2 on the sensations that you feel. Especially if you start to approach the limits of your comfort. Stop when you feel pain. Pain is a signal. It's nothing more. It's nothing bad on its own. Only you really have the power to make it matter, which means you have the power to take it away too. So for homework today, when doing these movements, I want you to pay attention to the particular emotional frequency associated with your injury. There may be fear, there may be sadness, regret, or any number of emotions that come up, positive or negative. Self-judgment is a very common side effect. It's kind of at the root of many of these, especially with yoga. And from what I've seen, this is usually what keeps people from completing any real course of expansion of this nature. Self-judgment can be projected and usually is projected out to the world around you, to others, to your activities. You start fighting and arguing with everything and everyone, but you're actually just arguing with yourself. And then you start to find that you attract situations and circumstances that only really serve to support that particular vibration. So tune into the frequency of your injury. What is there? What emotions are coming up? What am I observing right now? What is being revealed? Be curious, be interested, be excited. Be aware, be alive. With just a little extra attention, you can start to move around the injury, especially when you sort of listen to that pain signal. If you reach a position where you're stuck, for example, you're trying to place your hands to the ground or trying to like stand up in base and there's this twisting motion that doesn't really agree with you. Find the bodily position where you are closest to doing the posture and stay with it. Stay there. Let yourself get impatient, let yourself be bored, and just breathe. Focus on the Ujjayi breathing. Let the impatience motivate you to find some other way of moving. You know, maybe you need to rotate your hips just a little bit more, like a hair clockwise. Maybe you need to move your knee a couple inches to the side. And you will free up some space elsewhere in your body. And then you'll accomplish your particular expression of the pose. In time, it'll come. You know, today you're doing the best you can. Tomorrow you do the best you can. Trust the process. Trust yourself. You got this. You got this. You got this. Thank you very much. I can't say that enough. I know it's just words. I know it's just words. But if I could have a little like heart scanner that had all my gratitude and like you would be able to see it rather than just hear it in my words, and you see this like red pulsing heartbeat of just pure love, my friend, pure love, gratitude, joy for the care that you're putting into yourself by showing up to this, by showing up, not just to these videos. You know, these videos is a good permission slip, but if they don't resonate, don't resonate. If they do resonate, keep it up. And when you actually have this sort of fire, this energy, this fire burning up, and you can't stop. It's getting you like out of bed every day. Like I can't wait to start with, let's say, an asana practice, or I can't wait to be more aware, to be more alive. That's all you need to do, is just to be 1% better, 1% more aware, 1% more alert, 1% happier, 1% more grateful every single day. Not trying to compare days, because you can't really do that. How would you measure this? But just having the intent, the genuine, heartfelt, wholehearted desire of being 1% more whole, 1% more aware of your wholeness, 1% better, 1% more capable, 1% stronger, 1% more flexible, 1% just in every single way better. You got this, my friend. You got this. You got this. See you in the next lesson. Have a beautiful, happy day.